What is going on? Ooh, yellow car. Yellow car, I got it. I win. Well, I don't win, but I'm ahead of you. Is that my bike that smells like it's on fire? I hope not. Guys, I finally washed the bike too. Finally washed the bike. She clean. She happy. Today, guys, I got wifey on the back. I am heading up to Redline for a stunt show. Gonna roll up there for a little bit and then check it out. And then I've got to run a couple errands. No, dude, one of my biggest fears is that I'm gonna have my helmet on and a bug's gonna get in, or a spider's gonna be in my helmet, and something's gonna go in my ear, dude. That always worries me. Like, dude, I swear I just felt one. I don't know what it was. Jumping in harder than 10,000. Good. Alright, you guys, we just pulled up to Redline. Stunt show has not started yet, which is good. So, should be some good stuff. I'm excited, guys.
It is 12 o'clock. That means we got the two brothers, the twin sons out here, ripping the 110, just getting warmed up, having some fun. We got Sawyer over here in the green or the gray. I don't know. I'm colorblind. But we got Sawyer right here, ripping it up on that 110. We got Sheehan right here in the red. These guys are just having some fun, getting warmed up. They're gonna be playing around here on these Yamaha 110s. Alright, so the way that these shows work, we need crowd participation, alright? We feed off of your guys' energy. So if you guys get quiet, we're not going to do anything crazy. But if you guys get loud and have fun with us, we'll be able to sit in and have fun. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a side, alright? This is side number 1, that's side number 2. We're going to compete for who's louder, alright? And maybe
like I win.
if you notice there's some crazy looking parts on these things, you guys are interested in getting involved in this sport, please check out twinstunts.com for any of the custom crazy looking parts that you may see. They have them all. These two came a long way. They are 26 years of age out of Wisconsin. They are representing Yamaha. And they are last to be here again. So as they make their way back over, beautiful day in South Carolina at Redline Power Sports. These two are ready, and we're going to clutch up and see what these guys have for us. The way that these two work, they are identical twins, they are brothers, so they feed off of each other. They're communicating. They get each other pumped as they go, so one can't do something without the other one wanting to one up them. So here we go, they're going to get on the back of those seats, we're going to come side by side. Let's see what they have for you right now. They're chasing each other down, they're getting close. Reach your hand out, maybe they'll give you a high five as they get close. All right, they're chasing each other down, they're communicating, they're pumped, they're ready. Guys, let them hear you! Look at they've been competing against one another, and they're stoked to do these types of tricks that they're doing all on top of the stage. It's 10 o'clock. What do you guys think? Come on! They're known to be doing some of the craziest tricks side by side. They interlink their feet, they interlink their hands. They do some things that no one else is doing right now. They're some of the top riders in the world. And here we go. Some of the sick moves, and his brother watches along. But listen, Sawyer is pumped and ready, and he can't let his brother run up him like that. So let's see what he has next for us right now. Make some noise one more time. Here we go!
Let's go!
All right, stand on that guy. See, here we go. Clutching up, here we see it. He's switching his feet around, watch his feet right now. He's getting close attention. Here we go. Oh, there he goes! That's what I'm talking about. One up in his brother a little bit right there. You hear that rep limiter? That means they don't want to hear you guys, so show some love one more time for these two. Alright, this is one of my favorite tricks. I'm a BMX rider. We call this one the surfer. He's surfing the waves out here in Myrtle Beach right now. Guys, make some noise as Shannon comes around right now. I'm gonna chase him down, try and catch him. You guys having fun out there? Alright, come on! Like I said, these two feed off of each other, and it's a little bit of friendly competition, just like they're about to see right now. We got Sawyer backing things up, sitting on the back seat. We got his brother pushing him along. They're having fun, they're laughing, they're smiling. Oh, he's breakdancing on that motorcycle, like I said. He's trying to one up his brother right now. Who do you guys think's winning right now? Make some noise for these two competing against each other, having fun out here. These two totally feed off of each other. And like I said, they're going to be doing some of the stunts that only them are doing, just like this one right here. We got Sawyer pushing his older brother back, like back off me, bro, right now. That front tire is right in his face. Guys, don't get quiet on us. What do you think so far? Come on! These two are set. Like I said yesterday, we didn't get to set we wanted to. So these guys are pumped and they are loose and they are not done yet. They are just getting started. These two are known to be doing some stuff that only they are doing. I think they're going to clutch up right now. Let's see what they got for you next. Here we go. They're getting ready. They're eyeing each other up. They're communicating right now. We got Shannon taking both his hands off. We got Sawyer about to copy his brother right here, taking one hand off. Here we go. Takes hours and hours of practice to do what they're doing right there. Taking both hands off. Make some noise one more time for these two. As you can see, there's another part of the dynamic duo out here right now. We got Sawyer clutching up. We got his brother Shannon chasing him right now. We got the other part of the dynamic duo, the girlfriend, the perfect couple right now. now. They're gonna break dancing out on that motorcycle. Let's see what they have for you right now. She's getting on top of the tank. Guys, don't get quiet on us right now. Make some noise for these two. I'd say the perfect couple, right? Perfect couple right here. This is couple goals if I've ever seen one. Guys, show some love for these two right now. Come on, don't get quiet on us. We're having fun out here. You guys having fun or what? These two have been practicing this act for a while now, and they are pumped to be able to do it here in Redline Power Sports for this beautiful weather. So as they make their way by, don't get quiet. Show some love for these two if you enjoy what you're seeing. Give it up for these two right now. The dynamic duo, like I like to say. Good job. But we are not done yet. Are you guys ready to be done? You guys want to go back inside, call it quits? Should the show be over?
No.
No? You guys want to see some more? Alright, this is my favorite part of the show. This is... Get your phones out. You might see something crazy. I don't know. Way too close to Coker. I don't want to get close. Thank you, sir. Nothing sweating out for that one, I'll tell you. You're lucky I trust him. You're lucky I trust him. I've been riding for 30 years.
Alright, you guys, we are leaving the stunt show. It's been a good time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage.
Yeah. Hey, guys.
It is hot, boy. Alright, you guys, we're just heading home, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here now. If you guys did enjoy, if you enjoyed the stunt show, make sure that you leave a like on it. Also, please, if you are not subscribed already, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, share it with a friend, share it to your hub account, share it with your grandma. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I will see you on the next video.